This video will demonstrate how to set up Helpdesk ticket types. So the first thing that we want to do is go into the Helpdesk and then click on Setup, and then from the ticket drop down box we're just going to click Search. So on the right hand side there's a link here to create a new ticket type. So the first thing to fill out here is the display name, which is just the title of the ticket type. The alias is something that we use internally at eMark for development, so that doesn't need to be filled out by yourself. The sort order will simply just arrange the list of ticket types based on whatever priority you give it here. And then we can select an SLA which applies to this ticket type, and there is a separate video which covers how to set up an SLA. So the next section looks at how a technician is assigned to the ticket type. So out of the box we have a few different assignment methods here. The first one, assign to operator, will assign it to the technician that's creating the ticket by default. The default contractor allows you to assign an external company to receive the ticket. So if you outsource certain types of jobs to another company, it would make sense to use this. The default tech is similar to the default contractor, but instead we're selecting an individual technician that these type of tickets will always go to by default. The manual assignment leaves the ticket open and essentially waits for a technician to opt in and take the job themselves. And then the last one is the round robin, which just loops through a list of the applicable technicians and looks at who was the last technician assigned, and then it just allocates it to the next person in the list. So we have a list of senior technicians that we can select. We can select one or more of those. Anyone that is set up as a senior tech will see these type of tickets on their console. They also receive certain email notifications throughout the Helpdesk workflow to keep them informed of those tickets. So the next section is based around billing. So we can enable or disable the ability to charge for this type of ticket. We can set a fixed rate as well as optionally an hourly rate. The income account code there is applicable if you're integrated with another accounting system, and just allows the invoices to be pushed across from any tickets that are created. And then lastly, a list of companies that this ticket is assignable to.